In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily delete a repository on GitHub, a handy skill if you find yourself needing to clean up, reorganize, or simply declutter your GitHub account. Whether you're a developer with numerous projects or just tidying up your space, knowing how to remove a repository safely and completely is crucial. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process, ensuring you're confident each step of the way. First, we'll start by navigating to GitHub. You can open up your preferred web browser and type in the GitHub URL. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials and gain access to your account. Once you are on the home page, you should see your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will showcase a drop-down menu, your gateway to personalizing and managing your GitHub activities efficiently. Now let's head over to your profile by clicking on your profile name in this drop-down menu. You'll be taken to your profile page, a hub for all things related to your contributions, repositories, and insights about your projects. Look out for a tab labeled Repositories. Clicking on this tab will display a list of all the repositories currently residing in your account. This page is where you can choose the specific repository you wish to remove. Once you have identified the repository you want to delete, click on its name to enter its main page. From here, pay attention to the options presented at the top of the repository page, which include options like Settings. Click on Settings to access a new row of navigational tools that let you manage your repository, tweak its details, permissions, and much more. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Settings page. Here you will find an option that says Delete this repository. It's important to proceed with caution at this stage, as deleting a repository is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're sure you want to continue, go ahead and click on this option. GitHub understands the gravity of this action, so it will prompt you to confirm one more time, possibly by entering the repository name or another form of confirmation to prevent accidental deletion. And there you go. Once you've confirmed, your repository will be deleted from your GitHub account. Although this action is final, take a moment to appreciate how much tidier and more organized your GitHub space will look now. This practice helps keep your work environment clean, enabling you to focus on your active projects without unnecessary clutter. Thank you for joining me today. With this newfound skill, you're now better equipped to manage your GitHub repositories efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to enhance your coding journey. Enjoy your tidy GitHub space, and happy coding!